Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will understand about clean your digestive system within 2 days or 3 days. So how to clean your digestive system? So within a week, you can clean that. How to possible to clean your digestive system? This is important topic we will understand. So let's understand about that. The clean of the digestive system is whenever you will stop the eating. So in this way you will enter into the fasting. When you will not eating, so your digestive system will not produce the enzyme. When your digestive system will not produce enzyme, it means your digestive system will store the enzyme even for the next meal. But now your digestive system is waiting for the next meal, but you are not giving the input in your digestive system. So your digestive system will start to prepare itself after the storing of the enzyme. So in this way, start the preparation, the damaged epithelial cell. Remember, the digestive system basically more replicate the epithelial cell as compared to the other body after that before basically, and then after the skin is more fast replication of the cell. So epithelial cell preparation and the function more efficiently. In this way, you will clean your digestive system. Whenever you will not eat, your microbiome will prepare, and the microbiome will consume that starch which that is resistant to your body. So it means produce short chain fatty acid, and on the other hand, the growth of the bacteria will increase for the preparation of the next meal to digest it. In this way, you are getting the rest to your digestive system, and in this way, the chances of the cancer in the large intestine will be colon cancer will be decreased. Whenever you will go into the fasting, so in this way, the mTOR will inhibit mTOR pathway, while the basically AMPK pathway will trigger due to the starvation of the cell itself of the digestive system, will lead to protect your cell through a damage and damaging and the proliferation, and the cell survive those which that is healthy, while the autophagy will be occur. The autophagy is basically the process which that trigger through AMPK, while the mTOR will inhibit it. In this way, the mTOR will inhibit. So in this way, the basically mTOR is basically the part for that progression of the cancer, and it trigger chronically eating. So the chronic eating, again and again eating, which that will lead to lose your health of the digestive system. Remember, and in this way, your digestive system improve through a important thing you should need to understand, improve through a fasting, and on the other hand, the fiber containing food like resistant starch, and that will not spike the insulin. But that is the different topic we will understand in the next video. But for digestive system, improve your digestive system, stop the eating, and that will lead to give the health benefit of your GIT. So for preparation of enzyme, preparation of the epithelial cell, microvilli, and on the other hand, a lot more things. So exocrine hormone. So I hope you make sense about that. If you like my video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video for this. Allah Hafiz.